Okay, guys, so today I'm going to be introducing a new website that you guys are going to be using on top of Edpuzzle that you guys will be using today. But this website is called Carnegie, and you guys are actually going to be using this program a lot next year. So I want to help you guys register. So you guys are going to have to open up your browsers. And when you guys open up your browsers, you're going to type in Carnegie Learning.com, and you're going to press enter. Okay, so once you guys are in, what you're going to do is you're going to click on customer sign in. Okay, so once you guys are on this site, what you're going to do, everybody has to do this, you're going to have to set your password. So you're going to click on set your password, and then you guys are going to type Bay High School, and you'll see Bay Village High School pops up. Now, your username is actually going to be your email. Okay, so it's going to be your Bay Village Schools Ohio.org email. But for me, I'm just going to do this email. Okay, and then press next. Okay, and then you're just going to set your password, whatever password you want it to be. So after you guys set your put your password in twice, you're going to set it. And then you guys are going to go to sign in page. And then you guys are going to type in literally the same thing you did a second ago under username. So your email address, and then your password. And then press sign in. Okay? All right, so I was actually able to get in, and you guys will be all into the Integrated Math 1 class. You guys are going to click on Mathia. And for today, one of your assignments is to complete. You're going to click on Let's Go. And your job today is to click on Getting Started. Now you guys can watch the tour, or you can click No Thanks. For today, you guys will have a video that you guys will answer. Okay, so I encourage you guys to use that because this video will be used to help answer these questions. So you guys have a few pages that you're going to do through. This is an assignment that I'm going to ask you guys to complete for today also. So hopefully you guys have a chance to do that. If you guys have any questions or any problems, please let me know. When you're done, you'll see that all of these circles will be blue, and then you guys will click I'm done. So have a great day.